Hey friends, it's mid-afternoon and I came out to sit on my porch and drink coffee. I spilled the cat food. I was feeding the cats. I was sitting here drinking coffee and I broke my favorite cup. And the storm this morning, well, it wasn't a storm, it was a lot of rain and wind, and it blew off my chair. There's my pretty volunteer, I don't know what. I think it's a gourd. I'm going to just put you here and we'll just have a little chat. Let you see out towards Octok Road. If I can think of how to do it right now. I guess this is how I want to do it. I hope we're filming. I tell people I'm retired and all I have to do is kill a fly. I hate a fly. Well, we're not supposed to say we hate something. My daddy always told me don't say you hate somebody, say you don't like them. So I'll have to rephrase that. One down, another one down. So now, yeah, I have had the worst 2 days lately. Everything has gone wrong. But I just say, now I've got a cup that is supposed to be childproof, I guess, whatever. And I almost spilled it. I'm trying to take a sip if you want to believe it. Here's to you. And I like my coffee hot. So hot, I'm like my daddy was. It feels good when it stops burning. And all I like in it is a little cream. I hope you can see the world. We'll check it out. Oop, there's my finger. Yeah, we're working. We're working. I'll give you a little better view. Hopefully. I'll check on you in a moment to see if we're cooking with gas. I'm not going to have this very long because I'm not sure I'm videoing anything successfully. And yes, I occasionally smoke. So, here I am. Ha 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 ha. And I've quit smoking about 3 times. Grew up smoking. Had a country store. You know, cigarettes were just not a problem. Hid it from my daddy. My mama knew. But I've quit smoking 3 times probably, and said I'd never go back. Never. I've learned to never say never. I can quit, but you got to decide you need to. And right now, for my physical and emotional support, I think I need an occasional cigarette. But the way I stopped was to just stop taking a draw deep inside. By the time I was done, and it was hard to do, By the time I was through, I was still smoking, wasn't inhaling, and I said, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Well, and I quit. But of course, stress and your mindset, you have an easy excuse. And I've come to the conclusion that the more you berate someone about smoking or anything, their bad habits, negativity blocks their mind. And psychology, I've studied some on YouTube, and you say we need to stop smoking, even if you don't stop. You put "we" in the sentence, and that's soothing, and that kind of breaks down a barrier. Missed him. You know, a fly is stupid. I got him again. Oh, there's another one. Man, this is all I have to do. Pow, missed him. My vision is compromised. I have problems with seeing. Close up, long ways. My vision is kind of crossed. And sometimes I just have to blink my eyes and close them and relieve the stress that's coming on from using them too much. But I just keep rolling on. I could be completely blind in a heartbeat. Anybody could. So you roll with it. I put lotion on my hands. It was tinted. Got it all over my clean gown. That's what I'm saying. Got him. I think it's the devil. I think the devil is on my path. He sees that I'm trying to behave, trying to follow the Lord. And you know, he wants Christians. He's already got the sinners. But, so now I've got to go change my gown. It really doesn't matter to me, but I can't have it if someone comes along and there I am in a dirty gown. I don't wear clothes at home very often. I have a nice array of gowns, and I love a man's cotton shirt, oversized, like a 5X. It swallows me, but it's so comfortable, and I tootle around here in it. And yesterday I was out videoing at the store, and I had a long man's t-shirt on and had my robe with me in case anybody came up. There I go. I could be social and not offensive. Oh, I got that one right in front of you. Another one. I think the rain brings them in. They have to go and shelter when the downpour comes, and when it lightens up, man oh man. Well, that's enough about flies. I'm gonna cut you off. Tell somebody today. Look them in the eye. Tell them you love them. Tell them you appreciate them. Tell them they're awesome. I love you in Christ.